being a good citizen. For being a good citizen in your neighborhood, you should do the following things. You should respect the public property. You should help elderly people. You should help weak and sick people. You should throw garbage in a dustbin. You should look after the plants in a park. You should encourage people to save water and electricity. You should help in keeping your neighborhood clean. You should participate in festivals celebrated by your neighbors. You should not argue and fight with your neighbors. You should share your things with your neighbors. You should obey people have You should obey people who have been given authority over you, like the police, fireman, mayor, and your parents.